Hello, and welcome back to unclear. So, in this episode, we will talk about conversions. Yeah, every business needs conversions. That's it. And the reason why unclear exists, we wanted to make your conversions legendary. So, unclear, we are making actually, what is the vision? unclear is the company where unicorns are made. And just to make any unicorn in business, we need to think about the conversions. In every product you have conversions. In every business you have conversions. Because business is about selling something. And if you're selling something, you need always to convert your lead, point of interest into contract. So conversions is everything, especially when we're talking about the things like websites. So we need to be sure that if you're making a website, it shouldn't be like good picture, good visual bullshit. You need to be sure that will be the tool which will bring value to the business. It will be not just a website. It will be highly working marketing tool which will provide conversions, which will be a factory of bringing to you money. That's it. And that's only the one reason why we are selling, we are doing, and we exist. In general, why websites are needed. They only needed to convert. And that's the reason why unclear exists. We need to be sure that websites convert better and better than your competitors. So today I want to talk about conversions and why your website needs a UX overhaul. So let's start. The simple is that frustrated users equal lost conversions. So if your web page, product, doesn't matter, if it's unclear, no one will use it. Especially in this high competitive world where we have like tons of web pages competing against you, you have just 3 seconds to make your first impression. First impression last. That's it. So you cannot make users frustrated, because if you will, they will go with the competitor. So we need to fight for every lead, because I know what is the customer acquisition cost. I know what is the CPL. And I know what is the price per lead, and it's definitely so high. And just to give you a notice, if your website has just one bug, UX or technical bug, whatever, every lost client, lost lead, it's $50 in general, $50 US. So if that bug just destroyed, like just frustrating 10 people, so you're losing $500 per day. And I'm just talking about marketing spends. I'm not talking about possibility of buying something. So you're not only losing, you are even not earning. So that's like twice, even in 3 times higher expenses than you can imagine. So investing in websites today, in website quality, speed, user experience, can save you a couple of $1,000s per day. Just imagine this. So, frustrated users, lost conversions. So what is the UX design? Is to make piece of shit like that beautiful like this. That's it. When information is clear, visible, and it's like represented in the way with the triggers, with the design elements, with the structure, which completely selling something to the people, to the ideal customer profile who reading that. Maybe that video will sell our services to you. We don't know. If you are the right person, for sure. Why UX matters for the conversions? Just take a look. Simple example. 2 buttons. One of them highly visible. Let's say, no, none of them are visible. If you will make just this, boom, 50% up. That's 100% guaranteed. If your buttons are not visible, you are losing people. You are losing clicks. You are losing clicks, you are losing money. Or like here. We have a card. I want to buy this product. That's out of stock. So boom, we don't have this product. That's it. But if you will put notify me button, we will not lose client. You will push them to make pre-order of the next product once you will have them in the store. So here we are losing people. Here we are getting prepaid orders. Again, here we can lose money. With nice user experience, you can gain money. And finally, this. It gives nothing. 4 stars, for what, for why? And here, detailed overview and breakdown of each feedback, of each review. More trust, more value, more attraction, more conversions. So what is the signs of bad user experience? High bounce rates. So you have more people which live in your website than buying something. Low engagement, that's when people join in and after 3 seconds they leave in. That's it. That's bad signal. Difficult navigation is when your clients are stuck in one page and they don't going through the pages. So it means like they don't know how to do that. If you have a user flow like homepage, product page, cart page, and they stuck on homepage, it means your homepage it's just not selling. Slow to load times. You have just less than a second to open your page and impress your user. If users needs to wait more than 1 second, they will go to the competitor. We don't live in the 2000s when we have just one website in each category. We are living in times when everyone has a website. So even millisecond make differences. And unclear call to actions. If you're selling something, but instead of saying buy now, you are saying like subscribe now or whatever, it's unclear. I don't know what to do. So if your small UX writing things are not presented well, congratulations, you are losing a lot of money. So the benefits of user experience in general, that's like this. So we have like here quick screenshot how it looked before, like unclear, uncertain, not beautiful, and after revising with clear components, structures, section, and etc. Of course, you will not understand the details because I need to dive deeper into the case study. But what I wanted to say, by making user experience audit, you are giving a life to your website, and you are giving a chance to yourself how to stop losing money and start to earning something. Because during audit, we are not just exploring something. We are diving into the ICP, into the marketing, we do the traffic, into the analytics. We are opening heat maps to see where users just scrolling, where they stayed, where they focused, where they bouncing. We are tracking all navigations. We are reading all copy. We are exploring every small aspect and providing to you the tailored report. You can go with this, you can do this something with this, you can ignore it, whatever. But you are receiving clear structure of the improvements and with clear prediction like here, what you have right now and what you can have. UX audit is not, it doesn't cost millions. You are losing per day more than UX audit costs. But you definitely need to try it to check the health of your website, because believe me, you are losing lots of money just without having one button on your website. So, if you're ready to boost your conversions, let's talk. Below this video, you can find the link to our webpage, to our calendar, to our portfolio, and all of this stuff. So don't hesitate, subscribe, thumbs up, and check the links below to talk with us about UX audit. If you want finally to solve your website, your product problems, and boost your conversions, that's the best time to start. As simple as that. Cheers.